So this is my 3D printed balisong pencil. So it's basically a balisong or butterfly knife as it's more commonly known, but turned into a pencil version instead. That's because the actual knife version is illegal here in America. So instead of using a trainer, which you don't really use for anything practical, this is a pencil, so you could actually use it for stuff. But in addition to actually being used as a pencil, it's really fun to just flip around and just pass time with, or just to use as a toy. So I'll show you how I made it, and I will also explain some future changes I might make. So this is the balisong pencil. Just remember, this is still in development. For example, I was thinking of having a latch here so that you could close it like an actual balisong knife, although it won't be that important because it's not like if you accidentally open it, it's going to stab anything, unlike the actual knives. And also I was thinking of drilling a hole through the handles so that I could insert a metal rod, such as like a zinc or steel rod, to make it get a lot more weight in the handles, which will make it better feeling, but also make it easier to flip because there'll be more weight, which means gravity will pull the handles down easier, so it won't get stuck where the plastic might be a bit tight. But anyway, I'll show you some basic tricks. So there's the double rollout, which is my normal one that I use to open a balisong. And then there's also the quick draw. So to get this into a more useful pencil position, what you could do is first open it with the windmill. And then you reverse it by, instead of just reversing the windmill, you could flip it around your hand and catch the other handle. I also just want to add that I am obviously no pro at flipping balisongs. So just remember, this is still a work in progress and is not done yet. So I have further ideas such as adding a spring-loaded latch to the bottom, or maybe adding some way to add weight into the handles, such as drilling through the handles and adding
rods and maybe turning it into a mechanical pencil version. But for this video, that's going to be it. So thanks for watching.